Hey guys, I just got home and checked the mail. I got something from AJT Designs. Their little key fob covers, or not a cover, it's a whole new key fob case. I had one on my GX470 and it's lasted pretty long. I've had it for well over 5 years. So let's go ahead and get started on the Tundra key fob. Alright, let's get started on the Tundra fob. Let's see. Put that out. Here's my AJT Designs for my Lexus GX, and here's the Tundra. So let's go ahead and get it all taken apart, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, let's get started. Got the packaging here, and it wouldn't be an unboxing video without some fancy expensive knife, you know. That's how everybody on YouTube does it, so let's go ahead, open this guy up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, nothing else in there. Let's go ahead, open this all up. What do we got? Got the green case, some stickers. Alright, this bag's empty. See, we got the screws. Stickers, we can put these off to the side for now. Please watch instruction video for this product before installation. Don't use thread locker. Of course they put it in red, so it's the only thing I probably paid attention to. Probably won't watch an instruction video. Probably should, but let's just wing it and go from there. Got all the buttons out. Let's see what we got. Lock, tailgate, panic button. I'm probably gonna go with the panic red, not black. Lock, unlock. These are probably the ones I'm gonna use, and the gate. So I'll put these aside. Got the black screws. Awesome. It does come with an Allen key, so you don't have to worry about that. I was gonna get some out, not knowing. But no, let's go ahead and get the key taken apart. So you just got this little arrow, a little tab right here. Pull that out, and boom, pulls right out. And I don't know if you know, but the tip has this little end to it. That end will actually fit right there, on there. Let's see, it just slides right in, right there. I don't know, can you see well enough? And you just twist and pop. So it pops right open. Let's pull it apart. And it's that simple, comes right out. Let's see the pieces that we got here. Let's move this over. Here's the control board with the batteries. And I'm pretty sure you reuse the old seal. So let's get the seal taken out. And it should just pull right out. Try not to rip or damage it. There we go. Got it out. There's the old buttons. Here's the seal. Put that right there. Let's open this guy up. And I do know there's a release that you have to transfer over from the OEM one to the new one. So let's go ahead and take a look. Got no idea how to pop this thing out. First try. Let's see. Just pull right out. Oh, you know what? There's a little clip right there. You see those little tabs? It looks like these tabs have to be pulled apart for it to come out. Let's try pulling this one down. Yeah, that's what it is. You just pull these tabs and it should pop right out. Of course, there we go. It's got these two little pinching tabs. You just kind of spread them out and it opens right up. Now let's see how we... Oh, it's got a slot for the spring. So it looks like we just put the spring right in. And let's put that guy right back in. Perfect, just like that. It was actually much easier to get it in than it was to get it out. So I don't know if you can see, spring just lines up right there, tabs right there. There you go. This one doesn't have any type of pinching device, but I'm sure it'll be fine when you put the cap on. And you can see the indentation for the battery already right there. So let's go ahead and pop this guy in. It also looks like they give you some guide pins right here that will line up with these pins on the board. Let's see. Okay. Slides right in, fits like a glove. Now let's see, let's get the lock. Unlock. Tailgate. And panic. And looks like they're all cut out just perfect for the all fit. Yeah, everything's oriented the right direction that it should be. Let's go ahead and line the seal up. I'm pretty sure the seal lines up on this side, just like the OEM one. Let's go ahead and flip it around so that the shapes match, obviously. Let's see. Alright, buttons feel good. And I'm not gonna like super tighten it or anything. Just gonna go corner to corner. I'm not tightening them just yet, just getting them lined up. And remember, this is just plastic. You don't have to go to the strength of God or anything like that. Okay, I'm just gonna give them a quarter turn. Perfect. Perfect. All right. You can see the LED lighting up inside. Unlock. Oh, okay. And I mean, lock and unlocks works. I'm pretty sure I don't need to push or hold panic either. Don't want to bother the neighbors. And now let's the spring seems to function just fine. Let's see if the key lines up. It's a little firm. It clicked in. Something did seem a little firm though. Something doesn't seem right. Don't think it should be that firm. Oh, maybe so, I guess. And that's it. So now I got the matching AJT for my Lexus GX over here. Had this for about 5 years. Screws never backed out on me. Again, I've never went strength of God or anything, just hand tight or just quarter turn. This one looks really nice. Awesome. And you guys have a good day.